How to change Apple ID password if you've forgotten it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you change Apple ID password if you've forgotten. Now here, the simple trick is to open up your settings application on your iPhone, after which you want to go ahead and click on your iCloud ID at the top of the screen. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to this section where you need to scroll down a bit and go to password and security. While you're on this section, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll find this option as change password. So what you have to do is just click on change password option. As you do it so, then you need to enter the device's passcode that you use to unlock it. It may be 6-digit, 4-digit or alphanumeric code, after which you want to click on the done button. As you've done it so, now enter the new password that you want to set it out. Once you've done it so, you want to retype in the password. Now you could choose to sign out of all the devices that you have. This will ensure your Apple ID is locked out from all devices and websites where you were knowingly or unknowingly using another Apple ID. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.